Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the LCD. The LCD come one set to the frame. Okay, you have to remove everything from this side and transfer it to this side. Okay, you have to very be careful. Okay, the first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, this phone is a clip right round. You have to open the clip first. Just make sure you open the clip right round like this. Very nice. When you reach to the home key, the power button, you have to very be careful of the ribbon there. There's a ribbon there you need to very be careful of. Just open it right round. Okay, remove the back cover. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw at the back here so you can disconnect the fingerprint cable on the power switch. Make sure you take out all the screw at the back here. So many screw. After you take out all the screw at the back on top here, then take out this cover. Okay, disconnect the fingerprint cable. Put it one side. Okay, disconnect the battery. Okay, now you need to take out all the screw down here also. So many screw. Make sure you remove all the screw. After I take out all the screw down there, remove the back cover. The ringer is there. Put it one side. Okay, disconnect this connector. Disconnect the LCD connector, and remove this one also here. Okay, disconnect the network cable. You have to take out the charging system slowly. Put it one side. Okay, now you need to remove the motherboard. Disconnect this other connector here also, and disconnect this one also. Okay, then take out the network cable from this side slowly. Okay, remove it. Put it one side here, because you need to fix everything that side. Okay, now you need to remove the motherboard. The motherboard have two screws. You need to take out two black screws, one here, one here. Make sure you take out these two black screws. As you can see, the screw is different with the one outside, so it's very easy for you to know where to put them back. Okay, after you take out the two screws, make sure you try to raise the motherboard up. Just find one place corner here to raise it up. Okay, take out the motherboard, put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. You need to remove everything. Okay, take out the sensor. This sensor is here. Just raise the sensor up. There's a glue under there, so you do it slowly. Raise the sensor up like this and remove it, because you need to put everything that side there. Put the sensor one side. Okay, now you need to remove the speaker. You need to remove the speaker also. You need to transfer it from the other side there. Put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. Remove the vibrating also. The vibrating is here. Make sure you see the corner here. Just put the tools inside and raise the vibrating up. Put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out the battery and take out the on and off cable. Okay, you remove the ribbon, the on and off ribbon here. Be careful, make sure you do it the right way. Make sure you get the right point before you force trace it up, so you don't spoil the connector. Okay, remove it, put it one side. Okay, now you need to take out the battery. So remove the battery. You need to get the right tools to do it. Don't use something like it's too sharp, like knife, and so you don't spoil the battery. Use the correct tools. Though you just find something that is not too sharp. Okay, you just put it at the corner here. Try to raise the battery up. The glue is there, but just force trace it and remove the battery slowly. Take out the battery, put it one side. Okay, Now you need to remove all these connectors. Make sure you take out the connectors. Take out this other connector here also. Put one side. Okay. Now it's time for you to put everything back from this side. Okay. You fix first all the top side here and fix the speaker, fix the sensor, fix the on and off button. Okay. Then you fix the motherboard first. Okay. So you have to remove this black cover here so that the sensor will accurate. Move this one up here. And you put back the sensor first. Make sure you put it inside very well, exactly how you take it. Make sure it rests properly inside like this. Okay. Put back the speaker. Make sure it rests properly exactly like this. Okay. Now you need to put back the volume key and the on off. Make sure you put a bit glue here if there is no glue there, so that the key will rest properly. As you can see, the timing is there, so make sure you put everything very nice exactly how you take it. You can see all the timing is there. Okay, you can even put a bit glue there also, because sometimes the glue is a bit weak, so make sure you put your own glue at the back, just a little. Then you put the key, make sure the key goes fixed properly. You see the timing here, make sure all this timing show outside. Okay. Okay, now you put the motherboard. You place back the two black screw you take out. Make sure you know where you take out the screw. Okay. Before you put the screw inside like this, if you're confused when you see so many holes, make sure you watch the back cover from this side, and you know exactly where you take out the screw. Okay. So you know that this side the screw not supposed to be here. It's supposed to be at the middle here. Because there are so many screw holes there, so you don't get any confused. And make sure you use the right screw. Okay. And before you fix the charging system, make sure you put a bit glue and fix the vibrating first. Okay, because the charging system connector is supposed to connect to the vibrating, so make sure you put it very nice. Put a good glue there. This is very nice. You can see the timing and everything. Okay, then now you fix the motherboard. Okay, fix the LCD cable. Make sure you connect it. Make sure you get the right position before you press it in. Don't force to press it without the right position, so you don't spoil the connection on the board. Okay. Okay. Fix back the network cable. Make sure you get the right position before you push it in. Don't force to put it in if you don't have the right position, so you don't spoil the connector. If you spoil the connector, the network will become very, very weak. This is very nice inside the clip. Okay. After I fix the motherboard, the charging system very nice. Okay. Now I fix the connector. You follow the arrow. As you can see, the arrow goes up to the motherboard side. Okay. You don't need to put glue here because this one, the battery will rest on it properly. Make sure you fix connector properly. Okay. You fix the one down here also. Very nice. Just fix them like this. Don't worry about this one. The battery rest on it very nice. Okay. Then fix this one also. This one goes to the LCD. Okay. Fix the one down here also. Make sure you get the right place before you press it in. Don't force to press it in. Okay. Okay, if you like, you can put the cover down, the ringer, just put it down. Okay, you replace just few screw. Okay, now you need to fix the battery. Make sure you take out this plastic, the glue is there. Remove this plastic, remove this one also. This one in the middle also. Okay, now you need to fix the battery. Make sure you fix the battery terminal first so you don't lose the push of the battery. Okay, fix the battery terminal first before you put the battery down like this. Okay. Okay, now before you put this back cover, you need to fix back the fingerprint cable here. You see, very nice. Then now you fix back this cover. You have a clip here, make sure the clip rests properly before you start putting the screw. Okay. So many screw, make sure you replace all the screw you take out. Okay. After you replace all the screw, okay, then you close the phone. Just start to close from the top. They close it down. Close is very nice right now. This clip. Don't forget to put back the SIM tray. Okay, try to on the phone to carry the LCD. As you can see, the phone already on. You can see the logo already show. LCD is good, everything is nice. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.